The Delores Fenwick Nature Center was opened in 2019.
That's right.
It quickly became Pearland's premier environmental education facility, and it really provided a great opportunity for us to connect and engage our community in nature. Our primary goals for the facility are to protect and enhance our native wildlife and natural areas, and then also to create awareness and generate opportunities that we can bring our community out and connect them with those spaces and hopefully help them fall in love with it.
We have a lot of interactives for adults and children. We have live animals, all Texas natives. Outside the building, we've got over 2 miles of trails that people can walk. Birds, fish, turtles, so much wildlife. It's an important thing to get out and investigate and learn about and to protect. And that's what their footprints look like.
Finding those connections that each individual person is passionate about and building those passions into what we're doing. There's always connections to make so that they feel valued and they continue that interest as they leave our programs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna push one end of each of the poles so that it's even with the corner.
It's in. All right, now we can go ahead and lift.
And there's always in the very center, like an extra hook that helps hook the very top and hold the two poles together.
Almost got it, almost got it. There you go.
That little moment, you see that spark in their eyes. That's our future.
There we go, there we go. And if you want to go to the one at the back.
We're doing a mini camping session. They've never experienced it before. They're always watching TV, so I just wanted something outside of technology, just experience the nature.
We've always desired to venture out into the camping realm, and I saw the opportunity through their program, and I thought that would be a perfect option for us to test the waters.
I thought camping was a good idea because you could come with nature and be peaceful.
A bat, yes, and we've actually seen some bats tonight.
Truly, we're building a foundation for people to continue this learning and this opportunity of being outside on their own. And that's how that connection grows.
On behalf of all the staff here at the Delores Fenwick Nature Center, we just want to say a big thank you for selecting us as your Organization of the Year award.